हेलो एंड गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। मैं हूं शालिनी अग्रवाल एंड वेलकम टू मार्केट डेस्क वेल्थ मैनेजमेंट। इस वीडियो में हम देखेंगे इंट्राडे निफ्टी एंड बैंक निफ्टी लेवल्स और साथ ही हम आपको रिकमेंड करेंगे 3 मोमेंटम स्टॉक्स फॉर द डे और देखेंगे कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्टॉक से रिलेटेड न्यूज़ एंड अपडेट्स। आगे बढ़ने से पहले अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लें। It held on to support of 21,550 zones and managed to surpass its previous day's highs in the last tick to close with gains of around 140 points. It formed a bullish candle on daily scale and has broke its lower highs of the last 3 sessions. Now, it has to hold above 21,550 zones for an upside movement towards 21,850 and 22,000 zones, while supports are seen at 21,550 and 21,400. तो चलिए अब देखते हैं 3 मोमेंटम स्टॉक्स फॉर द डे के बारे में, यानी कि हम आपको रिकमेंड करेंगे 3 मोमेंटम स्टॉक जिन्हें आप होल्ड कर सकते हैं फॉर द पीरियड ऑफ 7 to 10 डेज। तो आइए अब देख लेते हैं कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट स्टॉक्स इन न्यूज़। Jio Financial, PFC, 7 other stocks upgraded to large caps in AMFI. Jio Financial Services Limited, Power Finance Corporation, and Indian Railways Finance Corporation were among the 9 stocks that moved from mid-cap to large-cap category for mutual funds. The latest reclassification by the Association of Mutual Funds in India on Thursday was based on market capitalization. Jio Financial Services, which demerged from Reliance Industries Limited, has a market cap of Rs 1.53 lakh crores currently. Tata Technology Limited, JSW Infrastructure Limited, and Indian Renewable Energy Development Agency Limited are some companies that had initial public offerings recently and got included in the mid-cap category. Indigo Airline cuts fuel charges from domestic and international flights. Will airfares drop? How often have you had to abandon your flight booking plans due to high prices, or simply because there were too many additional charges? Well, we might have good news. Indigo Airlines have cut fuel charges from domestic and international flights. But will flight prices drop drastically? Watch to find out. The fuel charges, which was introduced by airline in early October 23, has been removed with effect from Thursday. Grasim to issue right shares at Rs 1,812 per share sets January 10 as record date. Grasim Industry Limited, it will issue shares on right basis at Rs 1,812 per share. It will issue 2,20,73,935 equity shares. Unit holders will get 6 right share for every 179 fully paid up equity shares of the company held by them as on the record date. Grasim Industry is the flagship company of Aditya Birla Group and a diversified player and a global producer of viscose chemicals, linen yarn and fabrics in India. The company recently entered the paint business and is setting up 6 plants pan-India. आज के लिए बस इतना ही। ऐसे ही स्टॉक रिलेटेड न्यूज़ एंड अपडेट्स के लिए कीप फॉलोइंग मार्केट डेस्क। और अगर अभी तक आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो डू लाइक, कमेंट एंड सब्सक्राइब आवर चैनल एंड हमें अपना फीडबैक कमेंट सेक्शन में देना ना भूलें।